Hello knowledge swimmers. Today our topic is hormonal control in male during spermatogenesis. There are different types of hormones which works together during the formation of male gametes. So we will discuss about these hormones and how they control the process of the spermatogenesis. At first, the whole process starts from the brain part. In brain, there are two parts which ultimately controls the secretion of hormones. First part is hypothalamus, which secretes gonadotropin releasing hormones, which further stimulates the second anterior pituitary to secrete follicular stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. These two hormones reaches seminiferous tubules and then entering into seminiferous tubules, the FSH stimulates the Sertoli cell to promote the production of sperm. The LH, which is also known as interstitial cell stimulating hormone, controls the production of testosterone hormone. This testosterone hormone is essential for development and functioning of the reproductive organs of male. And second, it also maintains secondary sexual characteristics in male. Now it's time for MCQ. Question. Sertoli cells are regulated by the pituitary hormone known as. We know that FSH stimulates the Sertoli cell for the production of sperms. So B is the right answer. The second question is spermatogenesis is induced by. Spermatogenesis is the process of formation of sperms. So the FSH stimulates the Sertoli cell for the production of the sperm. So A is the right answer. Question third. Hypothalamus produce dash to stimulate anterior pituitary to control spermatogenesis. We know that the hypothalamus secretes gonadotropin releasing hormone to stimulate the anterior pituitary. Next question. Testosterone production is controlled by the gonadotropin releasing hormone, which is stimulated by the hypothalamus gland, stimulates the anterior pituitary gland, which further stimulate the Leydig cells present outside the seminiferous tubules to produce testosterone hormone. So C is the right answer. Thank you.